Hi, welcome to Problem Solver 44. Today's strategy is make it simpler. If you've not already read the problem at this time, you should pause and read the problem to yourself before we go on. I'm going to look for my important information. In my problem, it told me that they found 4,120 pounds of gold and silver combined. It also tells me that there are 4 times as many 1 pound gold nuggets as 3 pound gold nuggets. Then it tells me that there are 3 times as many 3 pound silver nuggets as 6 pound silver nuggets. It wants to know how many of each gold and silver nuggets did Bubba discover in the thieves' hideaway. I'm going to make a little note to myself that however many I find for my 6 pounds, I need to multiply that by 3 to equal how many 3 pound pieces I have. Likewise, in my gold, the number of 3 pound nuggets I have times 4 will give me the number of 1 pound nuggets. This problem has a lot of work to do since we need to find 4,120 total pounds of gold and silver. So, I'm looking at the work that's done for me. Shows me that if I have 1 3 pound nugget, I multiply that by 4, that means that they also found 4 1 pound nuggets for a total of 7 pounds because 3 pounds, 1 3 pounder, 1 3 pound nugget is a total of 3 pounds. We can keep a note there. 4 1 pound nuggets is 4 pounds. 3 and 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Same thing over here. 1 6 pound nugget is 6 pounds. 3 3 pound nuggets would be a total of 9 pounds. 6 plus 9 equals 15. To get the combined total, they added 7 plus 15 to get the 22 total. They've also done number 22 for us if we had 2 3 pound nuggets, that there would be 44 total. So I think to myself, I have 44 total pounds only, and I need to get to 4,120. And then something clicks in my head. I need 100 times as many of this, and I might come close. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply in my table all of my numbers times 100. So now let's say I have 200 3 pound gold nuggets. I know I have 4 times as many gold pound nuggets. That gives me 800 gold nuggets. I can come over to my silver, and again I'm going to try the number 200 and then multiply that by 3, and I know I have 600. Hopefully you see the pattern that when we're multiplying by 100 and bringing our 2 zeros that we can multiply this by 200 as well, or I'm sorry, by 100 as well. We can check that because 3 pounds times 200 would be our 600 pounds, and then 800 pounds, because each one of those is 1 pound. 600 plus 800 is 1,400. So over here, I know that I have 3,000. I need to add 3,000 plus 1,400, and I find out that I have 4,400 pounds of gold and silver. That is too much for me. But I know I need 4,120, so I'm going to reduce my amount by a little bit. So in my next time, I'm going to try, what if I have 195 of each item? So when I try 195, I have my calculator handy. My calculator tells me that I have 780 pieces of gold 1 pounders for a total of 1,365 pounds. Using my calculator, I also know that I have 585 3 pounders because I did 195 times 3 to get 585. I also calculated it out to find my total poundage of 2,925. When I add those two numbers together, I get a total of 4,290 pounds. I still have a little too much. At this time, I'd like you to pause the video. Think to yourself, where would you go from here if I still have too much? When you're finished thinking and trying the next step, join me in Problem Solver 41 Part 2 to finish it up.